Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I am here today with a DIY gift idea that's honestly good any time of the year, but as you can tell by my decor and all the presents behind me, I am making this as a Christmas gift. So to all my friends and family, I'm sorry, this is what you're getting for Christmas. Just pretend you didn't see this video if you did. I thought this would be a really good idea for my family and friends, so I am going to make mine peppermint themed, but you could do yours any way you want depending on when you're making this, just by changing the extract and the color. I hope you guys enjoy. Let's get started. The first thing we are going to make is peppermint body butter. So we have a bunch of things in front of me. I have 3 bottles of 8 fluid ounce twisted peppermint body lotion. I got these from Bath and Body Works. Then we have some peppermint extract. We have some vanilla extract. We have a 7.5 ounce container of petroleum jelly with cocoa butter. And then we have some red food coloring. And then finally, 2 containers of vitamin E cream that have 28,000 IUs of vitamin E. You don't know what that means, but that's what it says. So I'm reading the directions, and all of the creams and lotions, we're just gonna put all of that into a bowl. Okay, I can't even get the plastic seal off the lotion, so we're off to a great start here. Like, what the heck? It's so hard to get off. Good, I got one. It smells really good. Okay, we're just putting this whole thing in. Started putting the vitamin E cream in, so no, that's not gonna work. We're gonna have to scoop this out. Might want to get a little spatula like I have. Alright, so we got the vitamin E cream, peppermint lotion, and now to put the Vaseline in. Now we'll put in 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and then 5 teaspoons of peppermint extract. Alright, I'm gonna take my whisk and try to mix this all up. It's there's a lot in here. I feel like I need to stand up to properly use my arms. Wait, I just realized I forgot the food coloring. Okay, so food coloring. We want 2 drops of red food coloring. Oh yes, that looks way better. Alright, there we go. There's the body butter. Okay, so I think this makes 48 ounces, which is a little absurd, but there's a lot of people I want to give this to, so it's fine. Okay, so that was it for the body butter. That was wicked easy. Now I just have to put it in containers. And then I got these 2 ounce containers. They're actually made for beauty stuff. I got them from Walmart. There's actually a ton of them, so I have a bunch left over. But they're super cute because you take off the lid, which screws on, and there's a little plastic piece to help protect what's inside. So I am just going to spoon my body butters into these containers. So these are the 10 2 ounce containers that I originally set out to make, but then I just kept filling containers and I made 9 extra, which I'm so excited about. Now I have so much extra to give to people and also use for myself. It smells and looks so good and fits so well in these containers. I think to decorate, I'm gonna put some washi tape on the top. Haven't decided. I want to do something a little festive. So now that my body butter is done, I am going to make a peppermint sugar scrub. and I'll show you guys what I have. Have some coconut oil, which I've actually never used before, so I'm excited for that. Our vanilla extract, our peppermint extract, our red food coloring, and then just some white granulated sugar. So I'm going to start by taking half a cup of this coconut oil and then microwaving it for 15 seconds till it's nice and liquidy. Okay, so I've never used coconut oil, and this is not what I was expecting. Like, it's actually really hard. Okay, so I feel like that's as close to half a cup as we're really gonna get realistically here. We're gonna put it in a bowl. Okay, we're gonna use a spoon to put it in a bowl. Okay, there we go. Okay, now that I have my coconut oil in my bowl, this is just gonna go in the microwave for 15 seconds, and then we'll incorporate the sugar and everything else. Okay, so my coconut oil is ready. Kind of just looks like water. Can't even really see it because it just looks like water. So the directions said 15 seconds for the half cup of coconut oil, but I ended up needing a whole minute, so just keep an eye on it. Now I'm going to pour in 1.5 cups of granulated sugar. Okay, so 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and then 2 to 3 teaspoons of peppermint. I think I'm just gonna do 2 because I'm almost out. And I'm not gonna forget my food coloring this time. We're gonna put in 2 drops. Okay, I think I'm just gonna mix this with a fork actually instead of my whisk. Okay, so the sugar scrub took a bit longer to mix, but I think I got everything. And now I'm just gonna put into my containers again. So I was able to make 9 of the sugar scrubs. They smell and look beautiful. Last thing we're gonna make is a peppermint foot soak. And I'm reading the directions now and realizing I should have done this first because it's supposed to dry for half an hour. So, little tidbit, do this one first. Although, if you're already at this point in the video, maybe you're doing it last. So for the peppermint foot soak, so I'm using some Epsom salt, some baking soda, my vanilla peppermint extract, and red food coloring again. First thing I'm gonna do is put a cup of baking soda into my bowl. Then we're gonna put half a cup of Epsom salt in. I'm trying to close the Epsom salt and it won't close. Turns out it's a resealable bag, but when I pulled it apart, the resealable part on the one side just stuck to the other side. So both sticky parts are here, so I can't get it closed. Okay, next we're gonna put in, oh, I said we need vanilla extract. We don't, I'm just kidding. We need peppermint extract, 2 teaspoons. Okay, I didn't use all of it, but it's just about empty now. Okay, and then 2 drops of my red food coloring. All right, now we're just gonna whisk it together. So this smells like a candy cane, but look, it literally looks like crushed up candy canes. Okay, so my foot soak is all mixed. However, it does need to sit for about half an hour to dry out before putting it into the container, so I am just gonna leave it here in the bowl, maybe mix it a few times, and I'll see you guys in half an hour. Okay, so my peppermint foot scrub is all dried. It was supposed to dry for half an hour, and I think it ended up drying for like an hour, as you can tell by the lighting difference, because I ended up going to the dollar store and got these super cute little bags that I'm gonna put them in afterwards. According to the directions, 2 tablespoons should fit in here. And then you just like dump the whole 2 tablespoons into a warm basin of water. Alright, all my foot soaks are now in the containers, and I'm just going to put some washi tape and tags on them and then put them in the bags, and we will be all good to go. Okay, so everything is done and I'm so excited. I started to put tape and write body butter, but it wasn't working out well, so what I decided to do is take my washi tape and for each of the 3 different items, put a different washi tape on it. So the body butter has trees. The sugar scrub has this like Christmassy plaid. And then the foot soak has this ho 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 tape. And then what I did, I took gift tags. These are the ones that I got from Target. They're my Target haul actually. And I put the person's name on top with those glitter pens I used in the DIY I did last week. And then I just used the corresponding tape and wrote what the item was. So the last step is I'm just putting them in the little bags I got from the dollar store. They have little like candy canes on them. And then I got mini candy canes and I'm just gonna put them in and then they'll be all set. So this was a super fun DIY to make. I really, really enjoyed it. I think these gifts everyone's gonna enjoy and use for a while and are just really festive and really personalized and honestly just a lot of fun to make. So I really hope you guys enjoy making these too. I did originally find this from a pin I found on Pinterest, so I will link that down in the description bar below. So if you guys want to read about the specifics and how much of everything you need exactly, again, it will be down there for you guys. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you soon with another video. Bye!